Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at my allotment again and I'm doing part 2 of bouldering off the fence so I can get my strimmer along. So I've put a couple of posts in already just to start off so I can go along. I've got another 3 more to put in up to the box, and then I've got 1 more to put in up that box. And then once I've done that, I'll show you what's going on with my polytunnel. I've only had it for, I'm not even sure if it's 6 months, six months I've had it, and I'll show you the results of it, what's going on with it. I might have to end up taking it down, but I'll show you that in a minute. So I'm gonna put a couple of screws in here to get the first one on. It's not completely set, but I've got to move with the time here. So I'm going to do this, and once I've done that, I'll show you when I've completed a few of them. Got the full length to go up, so neaten everything up. Everything's looking neat already. We've been having some cold and rainy weather, so this is just a dry spell what we've had for a while. So I've come down and just carry on with a few bits and pieces. Right, so I'm gonna need my cameraman, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got a couple in. I've got 2 more to do on this side, and then section that bit off. So as you can see, it's not exactly straight, but it'll do for now. It just stops me chopping everything down when I'm strimming. So that's all right. The only reason why I put it down, because I can get the scaffolding as well, so that's why I put it there. So that's what's happening so far. Once I let this completely set, when I get nearer to the season now, I'll just take the tops of these off to make it look more level and neater, so then they're not sticking up. I can leave them there, but I'll see if I need to tie anything to them, or if not, then I'll chop them off. So that's what's happening for now. I'm going to carry on with this, and when I finish I'll show you what else is going on down here. Right everybody, so I've got all that bouldered in now. I've got a couple of gaps there, but I'm leaving that for now till when I sort out what I'm going to do with that box. If I'm going to take it out, or I might just build another box around, build another small bed and just slot it in there. Or I've got that one up there, I might take that box apart and then put that one in there, but I'll see when that comes, when we come to the growing season. So as you can see, it's all fenced in. All I've got to do now is just take the tops off. Right, and I said I was going to show you what's going on with this polytunnel. As you can see, it's leaned to one side. When the wind blows, I don't know if we're going to get, you can see when the wind blows, it's just going from one side to the other, because this is meant to be up like that, and you can see it's opened up itself. The cover weren't no good from morning. Let my cameraman come up. Let my cameraman come in and show you what's going on. I'll go in. Right, as you can see from the post, it's snapped there, and it's snapped all along there. So this section here is most probably the only section what's holding up at the moment. This is all flimsy as well, because when it blows it's just going that way and that way. So that's what's happening with that. So this side is holding up. This is meant to be galvanized steel, but you can see this is was an Outsunny one, and you can see it's just a load of rubbish. From day one I've been having problems with it. They sent me a new cover which I haven't put on, so what I'm gonna have to do is take it down and put something more stronger up. Might have to put a wooden. I'm gonna see if cause I can get the wood. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put where the hoops are. I'm gonna put the wood. Maybe I might have to slot in a few more to make it more stronger. I might have to put 5 in. But I've got these hoops here, and I've got some of the poly pipe. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can get the poly pipe, take this apart, see if I can get the poly pipe over there in to make the roof, then put the wood uprights, then cement those in. Then what I'm going to do is take off the cover, put the post in, and then get the post, build a frame around it, and then put the cover back on, and then put two rows of scaffold boarding all around it. And then what I'll do at the front is I'll put the cover back on and see where this comes. Then if I can't get in and out, then I'll have to make a door out of the wood so I can get in and out. So that's my plan for this. It's only 6 months, so if you're planning on getting a polytunnel, think about it carefully. Make sure that the steel what they're using is proper galvanised. I've got some galvanised, I'll show you. Because everything comes boxed up, you can't see what's in the box, and then you use it and it's a load of rubbish. This is the proper galvanised stuff, what they should be using on it. You can see that's solid stuff that would last you a few years. That stuff is just cheap Chinese stuff, which is a load of rubbish. I know when I reached out to them, they sent me a new cover, but I didn't expect this frame as well to be so useless, snapping everywhere. So I'm going to have to see what I can rescue from this. And if I can't rescue anything from it, then I'm going to have to put in another style of roofing, maybe a slope on or something like that. You can see when the wind is blowing how badly it blows. So that's what you get from a polytunnel. Not even either 6 or 7 months used. You can see it's torn up everywhere. But the good thing is I've got another cover. I might be able to use this cover again. If not, I've still got a big sheet of this what I will use for my first one, and I've still got another cover. So whatever way I can still cover it, or when I go in, I'm gonna see how much, if I can get the rolls of polycarbonate, because I know they sell the polycarbonate. Maybe I can sheet it in that, or do something to make it last a few years or so. So I'm gonna see what I can do with this one now, if I can get it held up or something for the time being. I don't know we're meant to have a couple of storms coming, so I don't know if it'll blow away before then, but I'm going to have to get onto this after the new year. So this is my last video for the year. I want to thank everyone, for those of you who have subscribed, for those of you who have donated to the channel, reached out to me with your comments and everything like that. I want to thank you for all that, and I hope next year is going to be a more successful year for everybody. We've had a lot of rain this year, which has slowed things down a lot, and things haven't come on how they should have come on, but we still give thanks for what we got out of it, and hopefully next year be better. So I want to wish all of you a happy new year from me and my cameraman. He doesn't like to be on camera, so I won't show him, but we wish you a happy new year and a successful 2024. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. The next video will be next year, so you take care until then.